Happy New Year everybody and welcome to my channel Flora Frenzy. I'm Dr. Aditi R. Khandelwal and it's a new year 2022 and this is my first video of the new year 2022. So I thought why not to do a unboxing of new things that I have bought in this year. So of course order पिछले साल करा था but it has just come and I thought that this would be a great start for the new year to show you what new I have bought and what all you can actually add into your own collection of plants and the accessories of plants. So here I have certain pots, certain toys and that I'm gonna show you. So before starting the video and before starting the unboxing, I would like to draw your attention to the plants that are behind me. So yes, winters come with so many flowers. I mean it's a total winter is such a season wherein you can eat such healthy things and there can be so many flowers blooming in your garden. So this is Poinsettia and Clanchu and these come, once you put these plants in your garden, you just don't need anything else. All through the Christmas, all the 5-star hotels and everything was just decked up with these plants. So let me show you one with a little closely. So this is Poinsettia and this comes in two colors I think. One is pink and the other one is red. But yes, this season I think red is the color to go for. So yes, this is my decoration also and I have decorated my garden with these, one Clanchu, one Poinsettia or maybe a lot of Poinsettias. So that looks so amazing. Okay, so though we are doing a series of videos with Mrs. Anita Toshniwal, but I thought why not to, because the box arrived, so I thought I'll do a video on unboxing as well. But we will continue with the series with Mrs. Anita Toshniwal. She is my idol. She is one person who has actually made so big and her creativity is to vouch for. She's very good in making trays and just to visit her house is such a treat to eyes. So now I will take you back to Anita ji, but now let's do the unboxing of this box. Okay, so this box I ordered these planters from somewhere and this arrived very quickly actually, and I thought that to add, I have been ordering a lot of pots from Khurja, but metal planters these days are quite in, and there are certain other planters that come from those are imported and they come generally in ceramics and all in resin. So I have those kind of pots with stand and that is the latest trend, to have pots with stands. So let's see what I have over here with me. So definitely the packing is quite nice. So it comes with a lot of paper strips. Okay, so as I told you that I've ordered a lot of pots and I think they're supposed to be in resin. So let's open the boxes and let's see what they are made of and how do they look like. So the first pot that I'm gonna, oh my god, the first pot comes with a lot of toys. Apparently that I'm gonna show you later on, but yes, as of now let's see the pot. So this is the first pot that I have and this is ceramic, this is not resin as I was thinking, but this is very pretty. So this is a 5-inch pot and this is very, very beautiful. Look at the kind of finish, because generally when in India we get these kind of pots, either they're very, very expensive or they do not come with such kind of finish. So this is quite a nice finish pot and it has print and some other, some designs all over. So this is quite a pretty one. And in the same, I have another color. Oh yes, look at this. Okay, this also comes with toys in it. I'll show you all those later. But yes, this is the second color of this pot. This comes with the flower sticker on it. Quite a thing. Okay, so the third pot of the same series. So I think there were 6 pots of the same design which I have ordered. So yes, this is the third one. And there are certain other designs that I have got. And yes, the toys are not stopping to fall down from every pot that I open. So this is again ceramic, but again, see the kind of finish it comes with. So it is very pretty. Look at the pink color and yeah, quite plush kind of a pot. And I'm gonna show you all these toys, but you'll have to wait for that. So yes, the next one, and I have another one. This is quite nice, quite a rustic looking pot, a little heavy as well, but yes, I am again gonna just concentrate upon the kind of finishing that it comes with. So very good finishing. So these pots are so much, the packing that it comes with is quite a lot, because obviously the handling of the logistics company, you never know, so they have packed it quite nicely, and but it's very difficult to open these. Okay, so this is the other color of these pots. Yes, look at this. This again is a grey color pot, and again the finishing is very good. And this again has a lot of toys that I have ordered for. Grey color. You know how I started my business? When I started Flora Frenzy, I thought, being a plant lover, I always had less of plants and less of pots. So I kept on buying more, and I started learning a lot. So all through my learning, I realized that how much am I going to hoard at home? And my family members, I'm sure all of you also get that, कि सारे फैमिली वाले आपके पीछे पड़े रहते हैं कि और कितने प्लांट्स घर में लेकर के आओगी. So that's how I started my small business of Flora Frenzy, and I meet so many people, same kind of people, जो आते हैं और डर के आते हैं कि मैं फिर कुछ ना कुछ ले जाऊंगी और घर वाले फिर से चिल्लाएंगे. But I think that cannot stop us from buying more, and I am doing the same thing. I go on buying new things. So this is the third color that I have in this pot. I love the pot. The finishing is so good. The design is so good, and the colors. Let me just open everything now very quickly to show you the whole collection that has come. So that was all the different designs of pots that I received. And these are again my favorite, the Tray Garden toys. And yes, I wanted to make something very Christmassy, very wintry. So I ordered these beautiful huts, and these are snow covered huts, very pretty. So yes, these are the huts. Then okay, so I have ordered two kinds of lotuses this time, and I don't know where I'm going to use it, because this looks a little too artificial kind of thing, which I might not, I don't like that a lot. But yes, not a bad thing. With the kind of price it comes with, it was not a bad idea. So this can be used somewhere in the decoration. The other kind of lotus that I have, these can be used in tray gardens, and these are quite nice, very small, compact, and I just hope that they float as well. So very bright pink color and quite pretty. So there goes the hut. It's never enough to have more of plants and more of toys. So these are the starfishes. Quite natural looking and with bright colors. Starfish as it is comes in very bright colors. So these are the two colors that I ordered the starfish in. Then there are certain other things. It's a guitar and a radio. See, tray garden customization is one thing that I love doing. So yes, these are gonna be quite an addition to my collection. Cute little stereo system. And a violin, actually not a guitar, but a violin. Then there are certain cactuses. I have 2-3, I had more actually, but these will look very cute. The color contrast is quite nice. There are certain more huts, the smaller ones, because you can never get enough of huts. So yes, different types of huts in quite nice colors. And then I have the kids' favorite, a unicorn. Oh, look at this. This is so cute. I'm sure whenever I'm gonna open this in front of kids, they would just want to pounce upon these cute little unicorns. This is very, very cute. I even had pots of unicorn design and they were sold like hotcakes. So that's unicorn for you. And some more benches, plain benches. Okay, so this time I thought of ordering certain, different kinds of stuff. So I have some pieces of cakes in a plate, a little different from my usual choices, because I like to go with the things which are natural looking. And obviously cake on a plate would not look very, very authentic. Oh, these are the prettiest things and these are quite in these days. So this is a whole family. These can be put on the sides of the tables and more appropriately on the sides of on the pots. These look very nice. And people keep on asking me for these. So yes, quite a thing, quite a family, huh? I think this must be the other family. Yes, I think it is the same thing but in a different design. Oh no, this is something different. So yes, these are the fairies. These come in different designs. Again, whenever I am told to make a fairy, a tray garden for little girls, I always make use of these fairies. Girls just go gaga for these. I think there's just one more box somewhere. So that was all for today's unboxing videos. There were a lot of beautiful things that we got. Quite little toys, and the quality of the pots that I got today, I just love it all. So Happy New Year once again, and the year has started with unboxing, and I'm pretty sure that this year we will have many new material, new stuff coming in, जो कि बहुत amazing होगा, नए तरीके का होगा. So I will keep on exploring the market for all of you. I will keep bringing the latest stuff to you. And yes, keep waiting, because apart from doing the series of videos with Anita Toshniwal ji, I'm gonna go deep and I'm gonna show you a lot of things on mushrooms. So this year, at least for 3-4 months, I'm gonna do a lot of work on mushrooms. That is what my vision. So this year, I'm gonna do a lot of work on mushrooms, and that's my resolution for my Flora Frenzy YouTube channel. I will keep bringing you new, everything about mushrooms. So that's my resolution for this year. And I hope you liked today's video. I hope you liked all the stuff, the different kind of novelties that I showed you in today's video. And signing off, Dr. Aditi R. Khandelwal, Flora Frenzy. Keep subscribing to my channel. Keep visiting the Instagram channel as well. And but guys, why am I not getting a lot of comments? Comments are something that keep me alive. Please take a resolution and keep posting me, keep commenting on the videos, which can keep me alive and motivated. So yes, waiting for your comments. And as soon as this video finishes, please do comment, do let me know if you have somebody around you who grows mushrooms or is doing something in mushrooms. Do let me know. So yes, keep commenting. That is the only thing that I want. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you very soon.